my people, if you go against your own set of rules, your structure, you are going to get wired for it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now let me go to last month, because it's not up to a month. You can see, look at my loss here, 1,976 loss. I mean 1,976 loss. It wasn't in a day, but some of the trades were just rolled over trades. Like this is not like, this is very funny. Actually, this is very funny. And just only 2 trades I was trying, okay, 3 trades I was trying to enter at a time. Yeah, 3 trades: AUD USD, AUD NZD, and Euro USD. Yeah, those are the 3 days, and this particular loss made me have drawn down up to 47,976. Yeah, so I almost hit my my total daily loss. I almost hit my total daily loss. I'm just being sincere with you right now on this profile account. Yeah, so I took my time, I calmed down, and I look for another good trade, good opportunity. So from this 47,976, let me show you something. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader, your #1 trader. All right. Oh, this is a new and a beautiful moment right now, and I just want to show us a live trade. I mean, live trade and live accountability of this trading account, of this profile account that I want to handle right now. So I'm going to show you the profile account. I'm going to show you the progress of the account, and I'm going to show you the trades that I'm going to take on this account. We are going to see how many days will it take me to pass this profile challenge. As you can see, according to the profile that I use, the account is just what? It's from 13th of June to 26th of June. So I only have, that's 13 days. Yeah, I only have 13 days to pass this challenge right here. So, and today right now is 13th of June. We can see it's right there that is 13th of June. So I want to show us how the progress of this account is going to be. We can see last updated, and I've already taken my first trade. I'm currently on my first trade, but I'm going to show us everything because the trade is not yet in profit. So it's not that I'm making the video because I know it's already in profit. I'm going to show us everything. Now we can see today's permitted loss is $2,467 because it's just $50,000 account. And we can see the maximum permitted loss is what? Is $4,966 and we can see that today's profit is minus 32. That is currently I'm on negative, but I'm going to take us to the chart so that we can see by ourselves. And we can see the summary of how it should be right here. We can see that the minimum trading days is what? Is 1 not passing, because the minimum is supposed to be 2 trading days. So I only have 1 trading day for now, so it's supposed to be 2 trading days. That means if I take my second trade probably tomorrow or next or anytime, I'm going to be passing this automatically. This is not a big deal here. So this is where the main challenge is when it comes to prop frame account. Maximum daily loss, I should not lose more than what? I should not lose more than this particular loss. So I've only had 146 drawdown on this account, which means it's passed. Yeah, so maximum loss, which means my overall loss, I should not have overall loss of $5,000, which means my account should not get to $45,000. So I should make sure I apply my proper risk management, and we can see that it's currently passed because I'm still on 146, and we can see the profit target is just $2,500. That's just how many percent? That's just 5% of the account. I should not have more than 5% loss on the account. So let me take you to the chart and let me show you the plan that I have for this trade right here, for this account right here.
Hello. Are you tired of losing and blowing up your trading account? Do you still struggle to pass or sustain your prop firm challenge? Is growing your trading account still not looking achievable to you? Do you make profit today and lose all tomorrow? If all these challenges are related to you and you're already tired of your current situation, then this video is just for you. Don't plan to skip because you may not see this video ever again. I want to show you how I have used my 11 years experience in trading to create a simple profitable strategy by using just my mobile phone to trade. Yes, you heard me right. All you need is your smartphone. This is the same proven strategy that my students have been using to pass their prop firm accounts and also to grow their trading accounts. We scale trades up to 1 to 55 RRR with proper risk management. I only want to recruit fresh 100 students and I am currently on 64. This means that I will soon stop admitting new students when the 100 spots is filled. Click the Enroll Me button on your screen right now before another person sees this opportunity. Be rest assured that this ads is not coming back to you. So therefore, you have only this chance to click the Enroll Me on your screen.
All right, so this is the trade right here. This is the trade right here, and we can see the red that we saw now is already blue. And don't worry, this is not 5 trades. This is just only 2 trades. Yeah, there are 2 trades. I made some mistake, and that's why I had to open multiple positions right here. Yeah, I'm going to do the normal adjustments. But the thing I want to show us right here is that we can see the AUD USD and we can see all this. So if I should have this current trade now, my target is 1 to 5 RRR. If I should have 1 to 5 RRR on these trades, I will automatically pass this account with only these 2 trades. With these 2 trades that I entered, I will pass the account. In fact, 1 to 3 RRR it's enough for me. And you know, if you have been following us on this platform, you will know that our minimum RRR is even we do scale up to 1 to 15, we do scale up to 1 to 120 RRR. We do stay, I mean, we do scale up to 1 to 1 to 40, 1 to 50 RRR. So passing this proof will not be a problem at all. But you know, for accountability, I just want you to follow me closely. And you can see it's just a simple analysis for this trade, and I'm going to show us the analysis that I use for this trade. But before I continue, if you are new on this channel, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave your comment. And if you want to enroll for my mentorship program, just check the description and click the enroll link that is there. If you click the link that is there for enroll me, if you click the link there, you are going to get enrolled into the mentorship program. So let me show us what I'm talking about right here. Let's go to higher time frame. You can see higher time frame. You can see different levels of liquidity that is being cleared right here. You can see liquidity cleared right here. You can see under liquidity cleared right here. And if we come here, we see that there is a liquidity. Okay, let me give us this zoom so that will be easy for us. So we can see that, look at this area now. We can see that there's a liquidity that is being cleared right here. Can we see that? If you look at this place, equal level here, if you look at this equal level very well, we discover that the price came all the way from here to clear this liquidity. So since the price cleared this liquidity, price has not traded back to this zone, and that is what we want to take advantage of, or that is what we are taking advantage of. And the first thing we check if we want to take any trade is that we check the strength of a particular currency. Now we discover that the dollar is expected to gain strength, so that is why we are currently on this trade right now. Because we expected the dollar to gain strength. So after seeing that the things we put together in the mentorship program, in order for us to know when a particular currency is going to gain strength, so after we discover that those things are already in place, then we come to do our technical analysis. And our technical analysis is giving us that there is a zone here that cleared liquidity, and price has not traded back to that zone ever since liquidity was cleared. So we took advantage of that zone. We can see here. And if we check another if we check another pair, let me check this pair right now. Let me check this pair right now. You will discover that it's almost the same pattern. Guys. So we can see liquidity. You can see liquidity zone right here. Look at liquidity here. You can see this liquidity zone. So we discover that price, after clearing this liquidity zone, price is retesting this level for the first time. Price is retesting this level for the first time. So we know that price will definitely sell from here, and we took advantage of that. So if we check another, the trades we've been checking right now, there are trades that are showing that USD is going to, there are pairs that are losing strength against USD. Let's check another pair that is USD is expected to gain strength against. Let's check USD CHL, which is supposed to be something like a buy. It's supposed to be giving us something like a buy, and we can see that it's actually the same thing that is happening here. We can see the same thing that is happening here. Can we see that? We can see there's a movement from here that came to clear this liquidity, then price came all the way to retest from here. If we actually check weekly time frame, I think weekly time frame will have a way of showing us something sweeter than what we are expecting, but I don't want us to but just with what is happening right now. If we go to 1 hour time frame, we are going to see the clarity in this market that is just a buy. The buy here even started. The buy here started since, but I just joined the trend. But now we're standing. It's still not going to be something very bad. I'm not going to take this trade because I already had my trade. So these are the things that we put together, and we just have 4 steps. 4 steps that we put together before we take trades in my mentorship program. And these are the steps that all my students, they are confirmation entries that all my students must follow before they take any trade. Yeah, you have to check the strength of the market. There are some things we put together to discover the pair that is going to be gaining strength, and we trade the stronger one against the weaker one. And we check a beautiful zone, liquidity clearance. After checking the strength of the market, we check a zone that just cleared liquidity. So after checking a zone that just cleared liquidity, then we size, okay, what is going to be the numbers of pips, what is going to be the lot size. Then we check what is going to be the lot size, how many pips are we ready to risk, how many profit are we ready to take, how many pips are we ready to take as profit, all those things. And after that, you check probably the news event and all those things, then you click and you place your trade. Those things, when you know how trade is being structured, taking trades will not be a problem, profitability will not be a problem. If you want to have access to all these things that I'm talking about, just enroll into our mentorship program. It's going to be very easy for you to take trades. Yeah, it's going to be very easy for you to pass your challenge, to pass your pro firm, and also to grow your small trading account. You can see that this account is growing already. Don't worry, I'm going to come back and give us the full feedback. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and make sure you leave your comments. So let's get together as I give you the update on this trade, guys.
Hello. Are you tired of losing and blowing up your trading account? Do you still struggle to pass or sustain your prop firm challenge? Is growing your trading account still not looking achievable to you? Do you make profit today and lose all tomorrow? If all these challenges are related to you and you're already tired of your current situation, then this video is just for you. Don't plan to skip because you may not see this video ever again. I want to show you how I have used my 11 years experience in trading to create a simple profitable strategy by using just my mobile phone to trade. Yes, you heard me right. All you need is your smartphone. This is the same proven strategy that my students have been using to pass their prop firm accounts and also to grow their trading accounts. We scale trades up to 1 to 55 RR with proper risk management. I only want to recruit fresh 100 students and I am currently on 64. This means that I will soon stop admitting new students when the 100 spots is filled. Click the Enroll Me button on your screen right now before another person sees this opportunity. Be rest assured that this ads is not coming back to you. So therefore, you have only this chance to click the Enroll Me on your screen.
So guys, it was almost another story. I mean, another story entirely on this profile account. Like, I almost lost the account. Let me show you what I'm talking about, because this is what I used to talk about. This is what I mentioned to my students, and myself abused what I taught. So that is the problem about psychology. Like, psychology aspects, my people, if you go against your own set of rules, your structure, you are going to get wired for it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now let me go to last month, because it's not up to a month. You can see, look at my loss here, 1,976 loss. I mean 1,976 loss. It wasn't in a day, but some of the trades were just rolled over trades. Like, this is not like, this is very funny. Actually, this is very funny. And just only 2 trades I was trying, okay, 3 trades I was trying to enter at a time. Yeah, 3 trades: AUD USD, AUD NZD, and Euro USD. Yeah, those are the 3 days, and this particular loss made me have drawn down up to 47,976. Yeah, so I almost hit my my total daily loss. I almost hit my total daily loss. I'm just being sincere with you right now on this profile account. Yeah, so I took my time, I calmed down, and I looked for another good trade, good opportunity. So from this 47,976, let me show you something right now. Pew. You can see I'm all in blues. I'm on in what? In blue. So we can see that the account is very healthy. We can see the last balance here. This is 47,970, and we can see the trades right here. These are beautiful trades. Like, these are beautiful trades. I still have the opportunity to hold this trade. So what I am going to do is, I'm supposed to close partials, because I already set stop loss and TP for some of these trades. As you can see, I've already set the stop loss and TP. This is very close to the take profits level, but it's even looking as if it's not going to get to the take profits level. That is very funny. So I'm going to set my stop loss around this area. Then I'm going to close this trade. I'm going to close this particular one because it's 1 to 5. I said I'm going to be taking my profit in 1 to 5. So I entered 2 positions here. So on this position from here right here to this place, that is 24 pips, or let me just call it 25 pips. So 25 times 5, that is going to be 125 pips. That's going to be 125 pips for 25 times 5. I think I'm right? 25 pips times 5. Let's do the calculation, guys. So 25 times 5 is 125 pips, because I promised to take 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 on my trades, so that you guys can see how I'm going to take the entry, how I'm going to pass the account right now. So I'm going to close this one. If I've gotten up to 125 pips, I'm going to close it immediately, like immediately. So if I enter from here, and I drag my cursor up to this place, this is 182 pips. 125 pips supposed to be around this area, which means this trade is already a winning trade. So I'm going to close it. AUD JPY, this particular trade right here, we've already achieved our goal for this trade. Yeah, we've achieved our goal and we are back to normal. We can see that is how to be a profitable trader. So let me check another one that is up to 1 to 3 or 1 to 5. What will determine my take profit as 1 to 3 is if I entered late. But if I enter very early, I'm going to hold up to 1 to 5 RRR. Yeah. So let me check Euro AUD. I think I said stop take profit for Euro AUD, and it has not gotten to the take profit level. Yeah, it hasn't gotten to the take profit level. I entered around here, and my stop loss was around, let me say, 60 pips. So 60 times 3 supposed to be 180. Yeah, 60 times 3 supposed to be 180. I entered late though, but but times, oh my god, it's even more than times 3. I think I calculated times 5. I think, let me calculate again. 60 pips times 5, that is 300 pips. If it's times 3, it's going to be 180 pips. Yeah, but I think it's more than times 3 already. So 300 pips. So that means we are expecting the TP level to be around here. I don't know why this. Okay, I think that's where it is, right? Let me calculate again from here up to this level. All right, so that is going to be 300 pips right there. That's going to be 300 pips right there. That's going to be 300 pips right there. That is if I'm taking my 1 to 5 RRR. But the way I'm seeing things right now, I think it's not going to be a bad thing if I close my trade, but I will not close my trade. So I'm not going to close my trade. What I'm going to do is I will just put my stop loss around here because I don't want to experience any drawdown on this trade till I find another perfect trade. Yeah, till I find another perfect trade, guys. So this is my stop loss here. This is my stop loss here. I don't know why it's not coming up. Okay, has come up. So I drag my stop loss. I'm going to set my stop loss here. Right, I love this new MT5 modifications, just that it lags a lot. All right, so yeah, so this is going to be my stop loss level. This trade can never go on the what, it can never go against me again. So I'm going to wait for it to hit the TP, which is 1 to 5 here. This is the 1 to 5 level right here. That's the 1 to 5 level. It's going to give me a pullback before it continue to buy. So on this other trade, which is AUD USD is another trade that I'm holding right now, and the 1 to 5, let's see if it has given the 1 to 5 already. I expect this trade to pass the pro firm account for me, but you know, because I'm just risking 0.5% of my account per trade, so it may not really pass it straight up. So this is 23 pips, 23 times 5 is going to be 115, right? I want to believe, I'm sure. Let me confirm it. 23 times 5. Let me confirm it. 23 times 5. That is 115. Yeah, I'm right this time. So if I want to calculate 150, which is going to be giving me 1 to 5 RRR, so that means I check from here. And that means this particular stage I've already passed it. I've already passed this level. I've already passed this trade right now. I've already passed this trade. That's already gotten to my take profits level. And even I set my take profit, which means if I close this trade right now, it's not going to be a bad thing. Actually, it's not going to be a bad thing. But should I close it? Should I close it, or I should just hold on because I need to make this account up to 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 is going to be the take profit. It's going to be the profit target for this account. All right, so if I close this trade right now, that means I'm going to be left with these 2 trades to run with. These 2 trades to run with. So if I leave it, that means I want to look for opportunity to hold it more, but no, let's follow the rules. The rules is just 1 to 5. Yeah, 1 to 5 profit. So I'm going to hold on to my 1 to 5 profit targets right here. But the funniest thing about this trade is that there are trades that I can actually hold up to 1 to 10 or 1 to 15. Like, I mean, I'm very serious right now. There's going to be pullbacks. I can even trade the pullbacks and also continue holding till I get to maybe 1 to 10 or 1 to 15 or 1 to 20 thereabout. But you know, I set a particular rule for myself on this trade that okay, this is the target I'm going to hit, and you know, after hitting the target, I'm supposed to close the trades. And this is the kind of psychology what's it called effect when you take trades like this. Yeah, these are one of the things that happen when you take trades like this. But you know, I'm going to close this trade. I'm going to close it actually. All right, I know it has the potential of passing my problem for me once and for all. Yeah, once and for all. Or let me just take partials. If I take partials, that means I'm dividing my profits one way or the other. I'm going to close it. I will know that I achieved my 1 to 5 on this trade. Let me see what I can come out with. 1 to 5, maybe later I'm going to risk up to, you know, maybe I'm going to risk just 1% per trade. But you know, let's leave it like that. So this particular trade is still running. AUD-JPY is still running, and it's also 1 to 5 RRR. Yeah, the RRR for this particular trade is around this place compared to the other one that I took around there, just because I entered late on this. And that's just the difference right now. If this one is going to hit this target, that means the one that I closed earlier has the potential of hitting this target, and that is how trading used to be. Now I'm supposed to lock this trade. And allow the reversal and allow everything. So I'm going to set my stop loss here. Yeah, I'm going to set my stop loss here. The reason why I'm setting this stop loss around here is because I don't want this trade to go against me. It is as simple as that. Yeah, it is as simple as that. It's because it has already broken many structures to confirm that okay, it's already on downtrend. But at the same time, price has the ability, has the potential to give me a pullback, which can maybe come all the way to hit my stop. I don't expect it to hit my stop loss. To be like, let me be sincere with us. I don't expect it to hit my stop loss, but at the same time, I'm going to lock my profits right here. Guys. All right, so this is my stop loss right here. So I want to adjust my stop loss here. All right, this is my stop loss, and I just want to close. I just want to modify it right now. So this has been set, and this has been set. Euro AUD has been set. So I'm going to leave these trades right now and see what they are going to deliver onto me. Don't forget 1 to 5 RRR. That has been our profit, which means we risk 0.5% of our account to take trades. Well, I think this particular trade is not up to 0.5% because when I took it when I was having those drawdown that I showed you earlier. And if I had taken up to the normal 0.5%, if the trade should go against me, the probability of me having the daily drawdown, like the probability was high. So I tried to reduce that. That's why I reduced my stop loss to the barest minimum on this particular trade. So that is why it may not really give me what I wanted from it. Yeah, but notwithstanding, I'm still going to make sure I achieve my goal on this trade. Yeah, I'm still going to make sure I achieve my goal on this trade. So well, let's continue with the journey. Let's see what the delivery and what everything is going to be. I'm very sure you guys will enjoy this moment, this season, and how it's going. And if you want to learn how to trade like this, don't forget, just click the link on the description to join the mentorship program. Click the link, enroll me, get enrolled in the mentorship program, and you'll be able to trade the exact way that I trade. Yeah, no difference, nothing is hidden. And you will also see the strategy I put together to pass pro firm accounts. Everything is going to be revealed to you guys. All right, let's continue. You see, I said something. I said this trade is just enough to pass my pro firm for me. Can you see the same AUD USD that we closed around this place? See how it dropped? Like it dropped 2 times more than the place we took our profit. Like it dropped aggressively. That's what, in fact, this particular thing I showed you happened in many of my trades. Don't worry, as time goes on, I'm going to show us how everything happened. Yeah, because I just want to be accountable. Yeah, I want to be accountable. Well, on my other account, I had this trade, I had this particular trade, but notwithstanding, just giving you the outcome of how this trade later played out, and still going, because it has not given us any reason to reverse. Actually, it has not given us any reason to reverse. Well, that's by the way, guys. Let's continue.
Hello. Are you tired of losing and blowing up your trading account? Do you still struggle to pass or sustain your prop firm challenge? Is growing your trading account still not looking achievable to you? Do you make profit today and lose all tomorrow? If all these challenges are related to you and you're already tired of your current situation, then this video is just for you. Don't plan to skip, because you may not see this video ever again. I want to show you how I have used my 11 years experience in trading to create a simple profitable strategy by using just my mobile phone to trade. Yes, you heard me right. All you need is your smartphone. This is the same proven strategy that my students have been using to pass their prop firm accounts and also to grow their trading accounts. We scale trades up to 1 to 55 RRR with proper risk management. I only want to recruit fresh 100 students, and I am currently on 64. This means that I will soon stop admitting new students when the 100 spots is filled. Click the Enroll Me button on your screen right now before another person sees this opportunity. Be rest assured that this ads is not coming back to you. So therefore, you have only this chance to click the Enroll Me on your screen.
Guys, I think we are making progress, and at the same time I think we have to calm down. We have to be very observant. Like, we have to expect some things that the market wants to throw at us, and we have to prepare for it. What am I talking about now? This trade has been a Swiss trade, and it just remains small. See, it remains small for it to hit my TP. Yeah, and I'm still expecting it to hit my TP though, but at the same time, we are on Asian session right now. We are on Asian session right now, and it depends on what the session holds. The session can decide to range from from tonight till tomorrow, and by tomorrow morning, it's going to do what we call Asian high stop hunt, Asian stop hunt. So by the time the London session for tomorrow we start, there's going to be a stop hunt. So the stop hunt can help to hit our take profit, because a reversal is expected right now, and personally I want to take the reversal. Yeah, and when the reversal happens, we expect price to give us a pullback. And based on analysis and based on the things I put together on my mentorship program, the reversal will just pull back a little, then it will continue buying. But we don't want to waste money. We don't want to we don't want to waste money. That's just the main thing. So I will not enter the trade right now, but what I want to do right now is I want to close this trade, guys. Or I will just close 0.3 out of this trade, then I will leave 0.1 to do the remaining one. I think that is fair enough. So I'm going to close. I'm still going to give us updates on these 2 trades. Like, you see, this is just market will throw anything at you. I mean, these trades, like earlier today, they were on 300, 400 profits. Yeah, but now I'm seeing 31 something. Like, this is out of it, and they both carry GBP on them. That means GBP is having a particular influence that I did not try to observe, because I've not been in front of my screen. I've not checked my trade almost for many hours today. Yeah, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to close this. I'm going to close it on 0.3. Here I'm going to close with 0.3, and I will leave 0.1 to run. Yeah, so you can see that I'm already on how many this thing right now, on 51. I just want this thing to be 52. I want it to be 52, and this trade is still running. This trade is still running, and you see where we are coming to. See, it just gave a small pullback, and we still have a long way to go on this AUD/GPY. Yeah, we still have a long way to go. So what I'm going to do is I will not close this trade. Actually, I will not close this trade. The least I can do is just to divide the money. This is 500, and
This is 0.55. I'm already going against what I said, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I've already seen a good trade that will just make me hit my target once. That kind of thing. All right, so and emotions we always try to play. Emotions we always try to play in this kind of situation. Emotions we always try to play, guys. If we want to be real, let's be sincere with ourselves. Let's be sincere with ourselves. Emotion we always try to play its own game. Yeah. So this trade right now, you can see this trade today. It got here, and see the pullback, and I still expect it to come back and hit my target. See, that's that's abnormal, right? It did not get to this our level, and it got here, and I've had to this setup and this setup, but this thing has not really given me my expected delivery. I'm not lied to us, it has not given me, it's not even close to my expected delivery. I think I'm going to leave GJ and I'm going to leave this GJ. I will leave these two trades. So my decision is on this trade, whether to close it or to hold it. But I want to be strong. I want to be strong, and I want to be strong. I'm going to leave this trade, guys. I'm going to leave this trade. Let me see what the market will do. If the market come back to hit my stop loss, fine. I take it like that. I will look for another beautiful trade, and I'm going to continue. As long as I'm already in profit, that is the most important thing. I'm already in profit, and all these trades, I don't expect any loss. Actually, these two trades that may want to give me loss, I expect them to give me any loss. I don't expect them to give me any loss. Yeah. They've not really given my delivery. All right, so I'm not going to touch any trade. If I'm going to touch any trade, I'm going to let us know. I will give us the update. So I still want to look for 1 or 2 trades to add. The reason I want to add trades is because this has already given me some delivery. I've already taken some partials, and it cannot go against me again. I've set my stop loss. I've taken my partials. So if it is my stop loss, I will not be on minus trade. So I have the ability to take trade. Psychologically, I'm only having these 2 trades opened because I've already put this one on partial level. I've put this one on partial level. So I only have these two trades opened because I've not set them on any partial, right? All right, so let me look for trades. Let me hunt for trades, and I'm going to give us the update, guys. Yeah, this is the journey.
Like, I actually fumbled because these 2 trades made me to pass the account, since I forgot it's just 5% of the account I needed and not 10%. So I was targeting 10%, and it actually affected me. And I did not place withdraw when it got to 5% profit. But anyway, I just have to push up. I have to push it on.
Yeah, it has happened, man. It has happened. Oh my 2005 5200, that is what I'm looking for. Yeah, I just passed this account right now. I have to close everything on time. I have to close everything on time. I don't need those profits again. Ooh, man. I don't need those profits again. I don't need them again. Like, I don't need them again. This is the most stressful pro firm account I ever traded in my entire life. Jesus Christ. Hey, so much emotional imbalances, like so much trading against my normal trading plan, just and what happened was that I forgot it's supposed to be 5% of this account. My target is 5% of this account. I was hammering on, and no one, okay, I've not posted it, I was just compiling the video. I wanted to, and no one even corrected me that I was making a mistake. Like, my god, this is just it. This is it. It's what it is part right now. Let us go to the dashboard of the pro firm account right now. My god, see, the reason why I caught this as one of the stressful, like the most stressful pro firm account I ever traded. See, I traded against my plan. I had series of unnecessary loss. Unnecessary loss. I've never had those kind of losses. Like, I can't remember when last. Yeah, it's normal thing to have loss. It's normal thing to, and thank God I even applied normal risk management, whereby if I lose 6 or 7 trades in a day, it will not even affect the account. Yeah, that is the risk management that I put in place for myself. Like, that is the risk management. Because of the strategy that I use, I know that if I win winning trade will cover like 3 to 4 losses. Up to 5 losses actually, because my risk to reward ratio is like just the way you've been seeing it, 1 to 5, like 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Yeah, I just made it like a standard, a kind of way of discipline. Yeah, so look at this trade right now. All these trades could have been, especially this one, could have just hit my target easily. This one could have hit my target easily. The other trade I told you about, that let me show you the history. The history is so awful, like, my god, so dirty. This is the profit right now, 2,665. Look at this particular, all these trades, they were trades that I took against my own trading plan. Against my own trading plan. It's so awful, so awful. Look at stop loss being hit anyhow. This particular trade, I should have had this trade. This trade, let me show you this trade. Oh my god, Euro AUD. That's the trade that's going to have passed my pro firm account for me straight up. This Euro AUD and GBP AUD, they could have seen. Look at the buy. Can you see? Look at the buy. A very strong buy. A very strong buy. Look at the buy here. Look at where I closed so early. Like, oh my god, this is not me. I cannot believe this. Look at this AUD JPY that I just closed the partials right now. That I just closed this partial right now. Look at this. Look at the normal account size that I entered this trade with. Look at where I took profit. 95.70. This is not me. This is not me. This is not me. Like, oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Okay, I remember this. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. I ought to have had this trade. Look, I ought to have had this trade. Look at where I entered. Look at where I entered. And this one was even a sniper more than this. And I supposed to hold that trade. And see, I just closed on time, unnecessarily. Like I closed on time. And look at the difference. Like, oh my God, like this is just so. This particular trade, this trade will still drop. I mean, when I mean drop, I'm holding this trade on my all this trade that I just closed. I'm holding them on my other accounts. I will show you the other accounts on another video. Yeah, I'm holding them. This deal that I just closed is it's expected to be a very long sell. Actually, yeah, a very long sell. So I will show you the trade. So you can see. So the most important thing is risk management. When you have a good risk management and a good strategy that will cover, if you lose, in fact, I used to tell my mentees that if your winning rate is 3 to 10, like you only win 3 trades out of 10, you are a profitable trader. Like you are a profitable trader. So it now depends on your risk to reward ratio. So that is why my mentorship program, see, the worst of all is a very good trader. I mean, a very good trader. All right, I think I talked too much. Let's go to the main deal. Guys. All right, so you can see it here now. So it was when I checked this dashboard and I saw past. I now saw profit target 2,500. I screamed. I was like, what? So all I needed was $2,500, and I was chasing. All I needed was just 2 trades because I used 0.5 risk, and my trading my risk to reward ratio is 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 one win is actually 2.5%. So all I need is just 2 winning trades, and pew, I'm done. I was now struggling. Oh my God, no, I cannot believe this. My God, look, just if I refresh it right now, because they do update it after I think 5 to 10 minutes. If I refresh it right now, it should be done. Let me refresh it. Okay, it's not yet up to 5 or 10 minutes. Like, it's just an awful something. Like, oh my God, look at the statistics. Like, this was before I closed the trade. This was what was updated after this morning. Like, so we are going to analyze all these things. Like, we are going to look at my win rate. What? No, this is not me. But well, I thank God that I passed. That's the most important thing. I started, my first trade was on the 23rd. No. My first trade was on the 13th of June. My first trade was on 13th of June. Yeah, 13th of June. And on the norm, it's supposed to be let me check. Okay, on the norm, it's supposed to be 23 of June. It's supposed to last 23. Okay, this was the last updated, guys. So on the norm, it's supposed to end by what? By 26th of June. So it's supposed to end in a few days time. And today was 23. Like, this is so funny. And today's Friday. So that means 23, 24, 25. That means on Monday, that's when it's going to end. Thank God I just achieved this. That's how this account, with my play, with my like, that's how I've lost this account, like just like that. Oh my God, I would not have been happy with myself, but thank God I'm here now. All right, so I'm going to show us everything when it's updated. I'm going to show us my trade journal. I'm going to show us everything on this account. You can see trades, results, minimum trades. So I think I have 7 trades. I traded for 7 days, minimum 2 trading days, but I traded for 7 days, and all this maximum loss I had 1,000. You know, those losses you saw then, but they will never get to this place. The maximum loss was minus $5,000, and you know, this is going to be updated very soon. Yeah, all right, guys, I've refreshed it, and we can see now everything is past. Past, and this is just a beautiful one, guys. This is a beautiful one. Oh my God, yeah, I just refreshed it by myself because I clicked on trading journal. So I saw this particular what's it called? I saw this notification right here. Let me show us. So I saw this particular notification, so I clicked on. You can all refresh. You can also refresh the account metrics values by clicking this link. So I clicked this link, and I got the metric account. I clicked the link and I got the page refreshed. So yeah, I'm waiting for my certificate of completion and everything. So this is just the journey. And the win rate has been increased to 30%. Just what I was telling us, that if you have 3, that means what I did is just the what the normal, like the average, what is called average, not even average, the minimum person on my mentorship program, like that is very poor. This is how the person will take trades. Like, this is the win rate, 30%, like very poor, very bad, and the person used to be able to pass the profit account, you know, without stress. And the reason why everything is poor, this is why it's 30%, because the person will trade against our plan, which I did. The person will trade against the trend, which I did. The person will take trades anyhow, not considering important factors, which I did. So this thing is not going to happen again. Yeah, it's not going to happen again. So what I can do, you can see the average profit, you can see the average loss. So that is a very good. That's because I have a good RRR. Yeah, you can see the RRR here. You can see the average RRR. So I have a good RRR. Yeah. So, you know, like now the average RRR, this simply means if you divide 3 by 9, So they said 3 to 93. That means 93 divided by 3. That means my average RRR is 1 to 31. So if you have 1 to 31 as your average RRR, proof frame is very easy. I mean, it is very, very easy. Very, very easy. Yeah, very, very easy. Do you know what this means? This means if you risk $10, you have $310 in profit. You get that? Okay, let me this average RRR, which is 31. That means if you risk $10 on each trade, you have 310. That means if you risk $250, just the way I've been risking 0.5% of the account, which is $250, that means my profit is what? My profit is going to be 7,750. That is the average RRR. So that means if I take my time to enter my trade at the appropriate time, 1 trade or 2 trades, I'm done with the account. Like, I'm done with the account. So that's a very beautiful trading strategy there. So you can also make use of all these things to track your trade journal, to journal your trades, to know how you took your trades and all that. Yeah, you can make use of all these things. All these things will help you. So all these journals, you can export them easily. And it's not going to be a problem, guys. It's not going to be a problem, so that you will be able to know where you got it wrong and where you got it right. Now you can see the export here. You can easily export them. Well, what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be selling this Profem account. So if you are interested in buying this Profem account, so that you can just continue, you don't need to pass any verification or anything again. Yeah, so if you are interested in getting this Profem account, if you want to buy it, just hit my DM. Let me sell it for you, because this is what I do. It's part of what I do. So once it is passed, I can sell it. I can sell it. I've not done the major verifications now, so it's not be a problem. I can sell it if you want to buy it, and I'm going to take another challenge. Actually, I have my other Profem account that is doing very well and running very well, so this is just a plus. I'm not planning to grow this one. I'm not planning to grow it, but if I don't see any buyer, obviously I'm going to be trading it together with the other Profem. All right, guys, if you are blessed, if you love this, just let me know in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and make sure you leave your comment. If you have any question, let me know if you have any question. And also, if you want to learn how to trade like this, just make sure you join the mentorship program. Check the video description, click the link there for you to enroll into the mentorship program. Yeah, and make sure you join our WhatsApp and our Telegram platform, because most of these trades, I think almost all of these trades are posted on the platform for people to take advantage of. Yeah, for people to trade along with me. All right, guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Catch ya, guys.
Hello. Are you tired of losing and blowing up your trading account? Do you still struggle to pass or sustain your prop firm challenge? Is growing your trading account still not looking achievable to you? Do you make profit today and lose all tomorrow? If all these challenges are related to you and you're already tired of your current situation, then this video is just for you. Don't plan to skip, because you may not see this video ever again. I want to show you how I have used my 11 years experience in trading to create a simple profitable strategy by using just my mobile phone to trade. Yes, you heard me right. All you need is your smartphone. This is the same proven strategy that my students have been using to pass their prop firm accounts and also to grow their trading accounts. We scale trades up to 1 to 55 RRR with proper risk management. I only want to recruit fresh 100 students, and I am currently on 64. This means that I will soon stop admitting new students when the 100 spots is filled. Click the Enroll Me button on your screen right now before another person sees this opportunity. Be rest assured that this ads is not coming back to you. So therefore, you have only this chance to click the Enroll Me on your screen.